In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users from a ClickUp Workspace. Managing your team and maintaining an organized workspace is crucial for productivity, and ClickUp makes it easy to collaborate efficiently. However, there might be times when you need to remove a user from your workspace, whether they've left the team or their access is no longer needed. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of removing users from a ClickUp Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to handle this task smoothly, while ensuring your workflow stays uninterrupted. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. Once you're on the website, make sure to sign in using your preferred method, whether that's through email, Google, or any other login option. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. If multi-factor authentication is enabled on your account, complete any prompts to verify your identity. This is an important security measure, so be sure to follow the instructions carefully. Once you're signed in and on the homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile avatar or your name. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account and workspace. Now look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Admin Settings. Under this section, click on the option that says People. This is where you can view and manage all the users in your workspace. Next, locate the user you want to remove from the workspace. You can do this by scrolling through the list of users or by using the search bar at the top to type in their name or email address. Before proceeding, double-check that you're managing the correct workspace. Especially if you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll want to make sure you're making changes in the right place. Once you've found the user you want to remove, look to the right of their name. You'll see a three-dot menu. Click on that, and a list of options will appear. From this list, select Remove. A confirmation message will pop up explaining the process of removing the user. Read through this message carefully to ensure you understand what will happen once the user is removed. When you're ready to proceed, click Remove again to confirm your decision. The user will then be removed from the workspace. If you need to remove additional users, simply repeat this process for each one. Before removing a user, or even after they've been removed, it's important to reassign any critical tasks they were responsible for. This ensures that no tasks are left unattended and your team's workflow continues seamlessly. Take a moment to review their assigned tasks and reassign them to other team members as necessary. Finally, keep in mind that if the user doesn't need full access but still requires limited visibility, you might consider converting them to a guest instead of removing them entirely. This option can be helpful in situations where collaboration is still needed, but at a reduced level of access. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start managing your team more effectively. And that's it. You now know how to remove users from your ClickUp workspace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.